Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about reasons to use full-sized dog cages in police cars. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about reasons to use full-sized dog cages in police cars is abcnews.go.com. Specifically the page titled Weird News, Odd and Strange News Stories, ABC News. Here's the link. You can also try www.vetinfo.com, especially the page Possible Reasons for Dogs Swollen in the Face? Questions. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see abcnews.go.com. The web page Technology and Science News, ABC News. Here's the link.